can see them, ladies and gentlemen. They are all seated over there. Come on, let's give them a fantastic round of applause. Now, we all know that Easter Bash is happening on the 31st of March, which is a Saturday, only a couple of days away. Brought to you by Exposed UG and, of course, Romium Entertainment. Marketed by the one and only famously known marketing company, JF Solutions. And, of course, sponsored by Jose Joblakes. Mr. Joseph Kigundu, thank you so much for all your effort. And, of course, we'd like to say a very big thank you to everybody who's tuned in to watch this fantastic extravaganza. I ain't going to hold you, Lord, my beautiful people. As you can see, our stars arrived all the way from Uganda. And, of course, our UK-based Ugandan artists and everybody else who has been supporting the show. Not forgetting our fantastic team of DJs. As you can see them there, they will be happening on Saturday with us. And, of course, everybody behind the cameras. I don't know if I should introduce the artist to you. Camera. Tambuza camera. I'll quickly pass on the microphone.
Yeah. My name is Chaggaa. I'm the manager for Goodlyfe. That's Radio and Weasel. But right now, I can't pronounce the name Radio here because he's no longer with us. But I'm managing Weasel and co-managing Spice Diana as well.
Hi everyone, this is Spice Diana, Ugandan star girl, and I'm so happy to be here with you guys. I just can't wait to deliver what I have for you from Uganda. I love you.
Yo, it's your boy Weasel Maniza out of the Goodlyfe, representing for the Goodlyfe Radio and Weasel for Shiza. Big up on yourself for the love. Thank you for supporting African Ugandan music, you know. Big up on yourself. One love.
Hey, what's up? This is the king herself. It's Cindy Biebe. I'm really excited to be in London again. I can't wait for Saturday. I'm excited about my team and excited to see the other artists from the diaspora performing on Saturday. Thank you.
My name is Eddie Kenzo, and I'm happy to be part of history that is going to happen on Saturday. Tuwalinze, bless.
Yeah, Doreen Motiwa Portable with my hubby Chin, Michael Omar. Thank you.
Hey everybody, it's your Girl Powers, right? Girl Powers UK International. I'm already started to just shop. Pooh! What's up, everyone? It's Angel SBL in the building. And yeah, it's nice to see everyone looking fabulous. And I can't wait to see you guys on Saturday performing. And yeah, have a good time.
Hi, my name is Samuel. I'm a reggae artist, UK based. Thank you.
Hi, everyone. My name is Edith Nabulime. UK artist, Banange, Sansonyo Kulaba Bayimbi Bafabave Uganda. We are so happy to receive you, and we will be happy Tulabanga performing for us, and also us showing you what we have for you. Yeah, big up.
Hey guys, I'm Doreen Faith. I'm not a musician, I'm a fashionista. I'll be there on Saturday.
Hi everyone, Marion Mackenzie. I am with the VIP team. Thank you.
Hello, my people. UK, London, as you know, Paridi Nangabo, aka Professor Nangabo. Here with the team, promoters, supporting the promoters. Big up to Jose Jobs Linked, Jaffa Solution. Zanyu Basanga.
Yes. Your Lady Virginia Waters. Nice to see you guys. Era tubalinze ku Saturday. Fenna tuli ready. Mutulindirire. Titujja kwogera luzungu wano kubanga basinga ayogera oluzungu aliwa. Oh, you speak English? Oh my days. So why did you come? You do? Then let me speak Luganda, isn't it?
Hey guys, Hey. My name is Asha Love, the only Asha Love in London. Nice to meet you guys from Uganda. We've been promoting you. You've seen that. Eddie Kenzo. Science Balaba Nange. Manizo. We're not Science Balaba, guys. My name is Asha Love again. Saturday, tugenda kubatuli live. Jangu 5 o'clock. Tugenda nenyama. Tukubo muziki. Paka kumacha. Mbagala nyo.
Thank you so much, my beautiful people. Let's give a fantastic round of applause to our celebrities in the building tonight. And if you cannot wait for Saturday, please feel free to come and join us right here at the Empire Lounge 817 tomorrow for the meet and greet, specially brought to you by the Red Cap. And of course, Timo, you can see him there. He'll be hosting the welcoming party right here in the Empire Lounge under Shady Fridays. DJ Shady, are you about? Going downstairs, yes. They'll be hosting the welcoming party for our celebrities. So everybody is more than welcome. And just like you've been told, on Saturday, we are starting early Jose Agabu Day. We're going to have Nyamachoma call it Kumbuzi starting at 5 p.m. down to 8 p.m. And thereafter, hit after hit will be happening right in the Royal Air Agency. You are all more than welcome. Now, we've got a team of journalists, reporters, television presenters standing right behind. I'm going to open the floor for you so that you can throw your questions to the artists here.
We'll do it in this order. You guys ask the questions, and then we give the guys the mic to answer you.
Shake. As we wait for our journalists to shake, to get out of it, I just want to say a big thank you and sincere appreciation as Nancy Kemuga. The very first time Radio and Weasel came to the United Kingdom, I was your MC and I've been your MC since then. I'm so proud of that. And of course, Weasel, thank you so much for standing as a man to come and perform. You don't know how excited I was to know that you were coming to London despite the fact whatever you have gone through. And of course, I'm excited to see all the other beautiful artists from Uganda and from the United Kingdom. Now, let me start with Spice Diana. Otfumbi Dekachi.
Well, thank you so much. Abagalo kumanya kenfumbye for you guys. The day is Saturday. Mujje mwena sigenda basunirako. I'll deliver all I have on Saturday. From all my songs nazo natandikirako. Sina kengenda kulekayo. Of course, started too. Ngawizo nice nae, why not? So tugenda kubanga takula live. And takulako ngamtakulako jangu na takulako. Yeah, like that. So guys, muje, I have a love for you. Yeah, and then I'm so happy yokubanga andi with my friends. Eddie Kenzo, Dorin Mutiwa, Nehabiwe, Cindy Biebe, my Weasel Manizo 32, the manager of Chaggaa. We love you. We can't wait to deliver what we have.
By the way, before we proceed, I want to take this time to congratulate my brother. Yeah. Thank you, my brother, for flying the Ugandan flag so high. Though there is someone who has failed to just write a very simple word, congratulations. But at least I did. But thank you, my brother. Thank you. Keep on.
Yeah. My name's Ivan for TGM Radio UK, and we're also live now on Spark TV. My question goes out to Goodlyfe, and it regards the memorial for our brother Mose Radio. What can you tell the fans about the kind of presentation, or how are we going to remember our fallen brother?
Our fallen brother is still going to be remembered. Yeah, so many songs are going to still be coming out. Yeah, he's there. He's right here with us, though you don't see him. Yeah, so you come Saturday, we enjoy. You watch him. You watch him alongside Weasel. When you don't see him, you're not a Goodlyfe fan, but you'll be alongside. Yeah.
Okay, my question goes to my brother Eddie Kenzo. Eddie Kenzo, I've been in school with you when you're much more younger than me, but you've achieved a lot. And I'm mesmerized with your with your achievements. I read your post when you were saying to people like, are you an Oli Illuminati or Chikolo Chamganange? No, seriously, because Kenzo was in senior 2 when I was in senior 4 in WBSS. If you could remember, yeah, we were in the same school. But my dreams, some of my dreams, I started art. Nenchivamu, Nechigana, Nenumbe Cheyo. You have broken all odds on top of challenges. What's the trick behind? Abavubuka abaliyo yinza bawachi. Never basiba yimbi nga ine ekiroto che, because winning BET, the other award yesterday, beating people like Kanaka Nigeria, that was massive. Beating that girl when, you know, Nigerians are many in numbers. I know they voted, but the trick behind that success. Too many bloody. Yeah, so that was my question there.
Kwebaza nnyo, my brother. I thank you. I give thanks. Webale. And trick, I think nange sijimanyi neche nsinga okumanya nti ndi muntu wa Katonda. And nkozesa nnyo creativity mbye nkola. Nyina huge fan base all over the world. And I have a very big support from the Ugandan audience, Ugandans, wherever they are, bonna bampagira. And bwemba nyina ekyo kitegeeza ndi strong. Nenga Katonda ye mubezi owa buli kintu. Okubanga nze naliko wansinga gwoli waggulu nenga nkusoso kwa achivinga. It is just time, but nawe osobola okubeera wano ne tusanga ng'ofunye ebyakabi mu maaso ate nawe not making her proud. So don't give up and don't stop. Kubanga so many American movie actors, they got their biggest breakthrough when they're 50s. So it's not late. You still have time to make it. And I pray to God that you make it in life. And God bless you, bro.
Mpozi tusanyusa balaba era abantu berandani Weasel, Cindy, Spice, Chaggaa, Kenzo, Doreen, Kinene, n'abayimbi baffe bonna abalala ne ba DJ bonna abaliwo. Abantu berandani babesunze okubalaga omukwano. Mu bungi ennyo n'ekyembuuza show eno etegeeza ki gye muli era abantu beesunge ki gye muli. Tukimanyi nti si kyangu nnyo okujja okupafominga nga wakaviirwako oba twakaviirwako munnaffe. Si kyangu nnyo. Era tukwebaza, mwenna tubeebaza bannange okubanga mwasobodde okwerekereza mu bulumi obungi ennyo ne mugamba kamujje naffe mutuwe ku mukisa celebrating okulambwa muganda waffe nammwe. So twesunge ki okuva eri mmwe nga naffe wetwesunze okubawa omukwano. Mwebale nnyo, mwebalire ddala.
Tuyanza sebo. Okusookera ddala nze nga nze nali so excited nga ndabye shene egenda ku happening Radiant Weasel then ne bana abayimbi bonna. It looked so big in my eyes. It looked so big. I was like, yo, this is huge, man. To have such a big show in a foreign country. It means a lot, you know. Nagamba, abeyuke bagenda kunyumirwa. This is something big. This is a big deal. Naye kyambreakinga nnyo omutima ate muganda waffe n'atuvaako nga shot happenings. I was like, wow. Uganga omanyi twafuna shock nyingi nnyo mu kufa kwa radio. Nali so touched kubanga nze ebiseera ebisinga ndowooza nnyo ku Weasel nga ndi ewange omu. Buli wentulaba nti ne ndowooza ku Weasel nyina engeri gye ensi efunda n'okufunda ndaba nga mwina very small room nga ndaba nange njolekera embeera eyo anytime. Naye one day, one time, you know, I will go, you know. Kati ndaba nga Weasel ayina ebintu byalowooza bingi nnyo ffe bye tutalowooza na kulowooza nga ffe. Ayina endowooza gy'alina mu mutima endala ennyo. Ayina wala baffe tutalaba, ayina memories, ayina biki egamba nalumwa nnyo naye Jose mukwano gwange. So Jose yaŋŋamba Kenzo olabye byatuuseewo. I'm speechless, man, and I'm done. This is the end of everything. I was like, don't worry, okay? As long as tulina Weasel, eno chance gye tulina okukozesa sheno tugisigazeewo. Let me join these guys. Let me join the team. I'm going to be part of it in a memory of radio, and we need to celebrate his life and to encourage Weasel as tumubuulire nti he can still make it. And this is the reason why I'm here, and I'm going to deliver. I'm going to do my best. I'm going to make sure that the message comes out correctly the way I want. So, man, this means a lot to me, and I'm so happy to be here. I'm so grateful and humbled, man. This is something big. Thank you.
Are we supposed to answer this question individually, or he has? Okay, I think he has said pretty much everything. I think for the show, personally, I want radio to watch and appreciate. I want him to watch and feel the love of not just Ugandans, but everybody in the world. I think it's going to be, even for him, it's going to be amazing. I think by the time, because the first time I watched Weasel perform without radio, he said radio is here. And since then, I feel like I see radio every time. So I feel like radio is going to be there, and I want him to be proud of me. I want him to be proud of Kenzo, of all of us, and feel like, you know what, even if I have gone, I have those people and they're representing me. That is what the show means for me.
Yeah, question here. I'm Mr. Ugandan Schnack. I'm representing the youth from UK. My question is for Weasel and Eddie Kenzo. What advice can you give to those that are upcoming and are inspired by artists like yourselves, who especially want to reach out to the Ugandan audience?
Come again?
Okay, let me slow down. So like...
Oluzungu lukendeeze tetubeere eno ffe olwaffe lwa mpola mpola ene.
Okay. For those of us in the UK...
Your advice to the youth, huh?
Yeah.
What I can say, you know, like everybody has seen where we've started. Like we came from Radio and Weasel. We started from nothing. Everybody has seen Cindy starting from nothing. Everybody has seen her starting from nothing. Eddie Kenzo, to the BETs, to every place. All I can say to the youth is, one thing you have to do is hard work. Hard work. And number two is respect. Even if you sing better than Michael Jackson, without respect, you will never go anywhere. Say, yeah. That's all I can say. Hard work, respect, and respect plus hard work, non-stop. Yeah.
Nze kyensobola bagamba kanjogere na mu Luganda indati mbasaaliza abaana abazaaliddwa wano abatalumanyi kibakakateko okuluyiga. You guys need to learn our language. This is us. You understand? You cannot be anybody else. You will always be a Ugandan, and you have to speak a local language so that you can feel it, you fit in the society. So let me speak Luganda so that you guys go learn and copy. You know, man, you have to speak with us and you have to be with us. And that's the only way you're going to succeed to the level you want to go. Kanzire mulwaffe. Chiri bwekiti. Message yange egenderi abaana bonna abazaaliddwa mu diaspora. Not even bamanyi kati bangi abalaba different countries. Buli mwana yenna amanyi nti no ina goal. You have a talent and you want to make it to international level, like global, worldwide. Use your culture in the country where you are. Because you guys have an advantage. Nti muzine nsi you have everything. You have good studios, mastering engineers, you have Grammy producers, you have everyone, you have everything to make us proud. Because you guys have everything. For example, I came from Masaka to Kampala. That was a very big journey, and I was so happy to be in Kampala. And then I made another step from Kampala to where I am today. And yes, nakozesa creativity as a Ugandan boy born in Masaka. I used my culture to go global, because nobody can ever do what I do apart from a Ugandan. Nobody in the world. Any sound I introduce to the world, it's a new one. Omuntu asobola chikola is a Ugandan. So, when a chance, you can produce a Ugandan sound in the UK or America in a good quality than us. You guys, your dream is not to perform in UK and you make people happy. Your dream should be going out of UK. You perform to different audiences. Even in Uganda, you come and fill out a stadium. We're going to be proud of you. You have a room. You have a chance. You know? And you can make it. You can feel go-go, and we catalyze for you. You can make it. done it from here. So many abana abogala amanyimi. I have a very big audience in Spanish and French audience. I deal with them a lot. I always I spend most of the time in France. Abana bonna abasinga okubeera abanene mu Ivory Coast, Senegal, where they were born in France, but they keep the root, you know, basigaza root where, and they are very big. When you go check out them, they have 100 million views because it's a chance here France, and they make it global and even big and better. So we are supposed to be inspired by you guys. You understand? So, good luck. Be yourself. Don't change. Nobody will ever be somebody else. You can't be Jay-Z. You can't be anybody else. You will always be you. Be creative and God bless you, man. One love.
Ekibuuzo kyange ky'abagole. Baweese ebiri. Abagole baffe mwakuba oluyimba embuzi ku nkondo. Twetagala mutubuuliremukko kuba abalina embuzi bazirekeyo babajje nga bazikulula bajje nazo n'ekirala mutugambire ku bawagizi bammwe ki kye baba expectinga ku Saturday.
Teyanziza omukisa guno okufunayo ekibuuzo. Ekibuuzo ekisoose eky'embuzi ku nkondo kijja kiddibwamu buli muntu yalibadde n'ekintu kye. Buli muntu yaleetaaze okuba n'ekintu kye nga obeera n'engatto yo nga teri mulala asobola kujambala nga tomuwadde lukusa nga yiyo kati nange bwe nnine embuzi ku nkondo. Ekirala abawagizi abatatulabangako bagenda kwewuunya nnyo, abaatulabako batumanyi. Kyekyo.
Okwongerezaako akatono. Ndi musanyufu nnyo okuba nti naffe abagole twegasse ku ttiimu eno egenda okubeera ku sheene ennene bw'eti etabangawo. Kubanga bukyanga tuyimba tetubangako ku show nnene bw'eti nga yaviibwamu omuntu omunene. Radio yali munene bannange mu ggwanga lyonna, ate mu buli category ya music yonna, oba oli wa bandi, oba oli wa kadongo kamu, oba oli wa raga, fenna radio yatukola ki? Yatukwatako. Kati naffe bwe twafunye omukisa ogubeerako ku sheeno ejaguza obulamu bwa radio, kuba kuno si kungubaga, tugenda kujaguza oba kujjukira bulamu bwe, kuba omuyimbi takola ki? Tafa. Ffe tumanyi nti radio akola ki? Wali bwe tulaba wiza ate tuguma nnyo, era njagala abawagizi baffe mwenna mwongere okusupportinga ani Weasel. Wadde ffenna mutusupportinga naye Weasel yeetaaga essaawa eno ki? Amaanyi ag'enjawulo. Nsaba mufeeko nnyo ate temumalaamu maanyi ate mulage nti waali ne radio akyakola ki? Akyaliwo. Kyampadde essanyu lingi nnyo n'abategesi bano bambi Jose Job Links ne ttiimu ye. Mwakoze bulungi nnyo okurecognizinga omuntu waffe oyo obutagenda atyo nga tetumufuddeeko ng'ataali muntu munene. Mwafubye okulaba nga muteekawo ekintu bwe kiti ate n'ensanyuka nnyo nti waliwo percentage egenda okugenda mu bazadde baani ba radio okuyambako. So Jose Job Links ttiimu yonna big up. Abakyala mwenna mujje bannange Saturday eno teri kulanga kulala buli mbuzi ku ki? Temutagalira mu nkondo mu malagala g'abantu.
Naye nazze nze ndi seeka ndi Haji abatagala we can sort it out. Ninyana n'omukulu gwensinga okutya mutagazi.
Kenzo nga tonnatuuka wano mbadde n'emirembe mu UK.
Ono tumute.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, we are still right here at the Empire Lounge during the press conference of our anxiously anticipated Easter Bash 2018. As we all know, it's been specially sponsored by the one and only Jose Job Links. I beg your pardon, sponsored by the one and only Jose Job Links. And of course, supported by Money Swift, not to forget Expose UG, and of course, Remium Entertainment. Tomorrow, we are having the welcoming party. Same venue. Gwatasobola kulinda abantu bano kuramkaga bambi jango bero wano. Ate kuramkaga tukubire delanga mbaga ya manyi nga mutegede celebrating Radio's life. RIP Mose Radio. We are still proceeding with our press conference. However, I'm excited to let you know that Mona Kampala. Let's give it up for the one and only Waiki Benda. He has just joined us for the press conference. You're most welcome. As he takes his seat, we will proceed with the questions.
Hello, everyone. I just want to welcome you guys. Welcome to London. It's DJ Billy, strictly Ugandan. And kansubire muri okay weather tebayisiza bubi. But my question is to all the artists. Tuzanya music wamwe, and you've been talking about saving Ugandan music. And we got a couple of DJs around here who have been promoting music, playing Ugandan music all over on Facebook. But the managers, tufuna strikes about every time we stream Ugandan music, tufuna strikes. And, sorry, I'm getting a problem. But with Tuzanja music for Uganda, we normally get strikes, but blocking. So my question is, especially to Chaggaa, since you're the manager, mwina companies emukola nazo ezigamba nti ba artists music we Uganda na eba mberenga mbam blockinga tuberanga tetumo fulumya over it is something that some people are taking over the music kuba walo companies is registering a music ngaba artists abamu tebamanya and they're making money out of it. And yet for us, our job as DJs is basically to push the music out there so that the music is known all over the world. That's my question. Strictly Ugandan is live tonight, by the way.
Thank you so much. Ekibuuzo kyo kirungi nnyo ssebo, naye ekyo kitera okutuukawo in most cases ng'oba ofunye oluyimba olubadde terunnafuluma. Waliwo ennyimba ezilinkinga ezibbibwa mu studio, kati ennyimba ezo oyinza oba olutadde mu bagira batya mix yo mebeera mix eyo gye bafulumya kakati era kampani eyo oy'omuyimbi kati nga ffe aba Goodlyfe ffe abalina rights ffeka ezikublockinga ng'okozeseza oluyimba mu mix yo olutakkirizibwa teriyo kampani endala alina right kublockinga kubanga kampani endala zigula ringback tone RTBs biki naye oluyimba kampani eyo erufulumiza yebeere lulinako right naye nga oba ofunyemu obuzibu n'obwo ne bannannyini luyimba olwo osobola okucontactinga management eyo ensonga eyo negonjolwa simanyi oba ekibuuzo nkizzemu bulungi ssebo.
Then most of the time, Fengaba artists tumanya what happens because we don't have a direct link with the DJs. Sometimes we talk about strikes and we have no idea. Don't go vimanya your strike. You know what I mean? Like we don't get to know that this happens to you. So the best thing to do is tell the artist if this happens to you, you say, Cindy, I played your song and this company did this to me. So that way we can fight this together. Because most of the artists, we have no idea what's happening. You guys are angry at us the other side, and we are mad at you this side. And we don't know the fool who is in the middle, you know, because you guys are not telling us.
Actually, Cindy, I got a couple of strikes with your song, Sample That, and Ayocha. So those are some of the songs.
I want to know who, like, if you contact me, you know, send me an email, it's cindysanyu@gmail.com, and say, this company did this. So that way I can back you up and be like, hey, because I don't know who does that.
So I think, okuongerezako kwecho, right now, but DJ mwena kuvanga most of you DJs you're going to mugenda kuva kugundi kusheno. Okuongerezako to add on that, you've got a chance to meet all these, get their personal emails, and then definitely you DJ Bear, because you're doing strictly Uganda and TGMK radio. Yeah, you've got a chance to meet Waiki Benda, the manager there. Eki managing ani. At the moment, you're managing one. Spicy. So whatever you're gonna tell the manager, Spicy manager, I think Ajaku College chikiriza. So mu meeting bano ba buli omu akole afune email. I think that's the best way. Yeah.
Hi, Marion Mackenzie again. Nze change sichibuzo. It's a comment. First of all, bannaffe tusanyusa balaba luli saba aniriza era neyongera okwebaza Mukama okubatambuza mwenna n'abatuusa mirembe era nsaba Mukama mbateeka mu mikono gye nsaba abakwateko abawa obukuumi ku bulamu bwammwe ebbanga lye mutukyalidde wano era nsaba nga tutuuse ku lunaku luli ebintu byonna bigende bulungi ate tulabe era byonna schedule zonna tuzisoosa wa Mukama n'azikoonamu naye nsanyusa balaba Mukama abakuumi.
I'm sorry to come again. It's, I'm forced to ask this. Ngenabuza mu Luganda. My question goes to Muganda fe Chaggaa ne Weasel. Weasel tuli bawagizi bo tuli bangi tuwera miliyoni 42 mu nsi yonna. Goodlyfe mukulu Chaggaa tuli abawagizi miliyoni 42 wano mu England tuliwo 1.2 million Ugandans. Bwe tulaba olutalo nga lugenze maaso ku Facebook nze Weasel I criticize you bampitayo mupirubaga South nenfuna views omutwalo gumu kakaaga about that comment. Nagamba nti ffe abawagizi ba Goodlyfe because I grew up with your music. I was in senior 5 nga ndi ku progressive nojja noyimba ne radio nga mwakakuba na kudata. Since then I've been listening to your music and I'm one person speaking but millions of people are out there listening to you, supporting you, some of them they silent many. Ekibuuzo muli wano ng'enseera bano ebungeeza tetwerabira buli yatulimbira wano taddangamu kuba mulamu. So no sikulimba abantu bangi nnyo abayimba abantu be UK. Guys, don't quote me right out of context, so I'll repeat. Wamma nsaba kubuuza mukulu Chaggaa ne Weasel.
Yeah.
The long relationship that is beyond 13 years of professionalism, a personal relationship. Where is it standing at the moment? Kubanga abamu kuffe we are bloggers, we critique. Unless when we get facts from the horse's mouth. Tugenda kusigala nga tuli divided and very many people are going to follow us as they follow you. Ate tebajja kubeera nga bali unsolved. So, sorry for thinking of me in the wrong context, but my meaning was relationship yamwe professionally as Goodlyfe immediate because that is a question that was sent me to ask in this very conference. Thank you.
Weebale nnyo mugana. Kyenyinza okugamba byonna bye mulaba ku Facebook nkiwa buli ali wano yali ayombyeko oba ne baawe oba n'omwana we. Teri relationship egenda on ngeri ki osanga ebizibu bye nafuna ne Chaggaa wetwayombamu ne bikola ki ne bitereera okitegeera. Emyaka gye mmaze ne Chaggaa sina kuyomba twekuba namu ne ku ŋŋoomi naye babbologa tebazoogera naye zibeera ŋŋumi za mukwano okitegeera. Newebuuza Padedi newemba nkuba oba Kenzo ne mukuba oluyi sikuba nnyo kuba mpola mpola kuba aba muntu wange kiringa nga ate sindisinza mukuba bambi just muwaka bizu neera nga bambi me and Chaggaa ono guy introducing mu industry na basanga ne Chameleon ne twegattako radio era Chaggaa y'omu. Obwavu ne butuluma ne tugula akamotoka bakayitanga familia okajjukiranga tukasindika busindisi. Kyogamba kati twasindika akamotoka ako kyogamba tuyinza okwawukana because it cannot be nawe. Just company zibeeramu ebizibu n'era ebizibu bakola ki babisootinga kitegeera.
Mwebale nnyo n'omwami abuuza ekibuuzo ekyo naye ffenna abali wano tumanyi nti twafiirwa era tetujja bagamba nti twamala okufiirwa nti mu bbanga eryo ettono nti twatereera tuyinza okuba tukyalinamu ebintu ebitucyankalanya obwongo naye nga biva ku ppira gye twalina kwegamba muganda waffe tugamba oba yatumenyako okugulu okumu kakati munatusonyiwa olw'ebintu ebigenda mu maaso ne byonooneka naye tulwana nga wetusobola okugezaako biwumba bikole ki bitereere naye nga Chaggaa is for good life and good life forever.
Yes, thank you. My name's Ivan from TGM Radio UK again. I got a question for YK and a question for Spice Diana. The question for YK Bender is, how does it feel to compose a song for the World Cup 2018? And my question for Spice Diana, it seems you're getting a number of hits lately, but oyimba nnyo ebintu ebiba bikutuuseeko mu bulamu bwo nga 32 twalina ne antikale ate ennyimba ne zikwatayo okikole obwangu obwo obugenda mu studio on quickly bwotyo okikola otya? That's all.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Ndi musanyufu nnyo okubeera nammwe. Munansonyiwa nze siri muntu atuuka late naye waliwo antuusiza late. Kyekisingira ddala obukulu. So my apologies for the late coming. Then for the question, thank you for the good question. How does it feel? When bankubulidde amazima, I don't know. Because it's beyond my understanding. But I give thanks to the Almighty God because yaleteje mikisa. So I'm embracing it. Nga bwengezaako embracing the actual music that is happening, the fame. So for me, it's just a ride. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Webale kubuuza kibuuzo ekyo. Well, nange simanyi bwe bikolebwa naye. Many of you oba abantu ababeera out there balowooza ebintu ebimu nze mbikola. Naye ffenna tukimanyi nti no Katonda alina engeri gy'aleetamu ebintu bye. Ebintu byekola byokka. Just like Kenzo said, neera Benda nga bw'agambye nti ekintu ekibi kiyinza okujja mu bulamu bwo. All these things bintuuseeko nga binkabya maziga, but at the end of the day I'm a happy person, you know. So the wig fell off. Abali around they knew. When natula wansi n'ensita ebigere n'enkuba omulanga, I did everything. Naye kyali kyapeninze nga kituuseewo. I didn't sleep. Neneeyogeza nzekka mu mmotoka ne bangoba namu nga bangamba otutamye, you know. All those moments zibadde nga the worst moments in my life. Nga sizisuubira. Naye neebaza Katonda nti azirese mu bulamu bwange because from those failures ze zinfudde kyendi. And for that, sometimes nze ngamba nti don't let your failures define who you are. Naye ate zirina kuyigiriza and you learn from them and learn to be a better person. Yeah, it's from the mistakes that you guys have known Spice Diana and I appreciate. Nti osanga ebyo byonna byonna bituuseewo bantu bangi. Many of my fellow artists have done so many things. Abamu batrenze n'okwefunisa accidents on their own and no one is talking about them. Naye nze, yeah, this is real life. Bankuba, I was in so much pain, seriously beaten. I remember that this one, that's one of my worst moments. Bankuba ne bankulula, you know, like a woman, you know, omukazi naninya nansota. I felt really bad, but I got nengenda mu studio nenkola oluyimba mu maziga, but it came out like one of the biggest songs I have right now. So ne muzi w'amatu ate bangi muyise mu mbeera y'emu. Thank you so much for the love. I thank the Almighty for bringing the worst moments nazifula the blessings in my life. Yeah.
Hello. Hello everyone. My name is Ed K. Idris. I welcome you all. White Panda, Chaggaa, Spice, Weasel, Cindy, Eddie Kenzo, Doreen. Welcome you all in the UK. Njakugelga and Oluzungu. My question, I have a question. I have a comment. I'll start with a comment. Eddie Kenzo is in the UK for, I think, immunity gay Saturday now. Please over there. Chibuzo chiri nti chi abantu b'omu UK dalaba promoters or people that doing the music business that we need to do to push our music forward, because in Uganda or Africa we're in a system we call it. I'm a fan of Uganda music. We for the last 15 we've been doing something. There's something lacking. I'm talking about producing music. I'm talking about on the marketing level. Nti mwina kyemkozesa mutu wabula mutu kyaffe okuja music waffe agende tufuneyo ba Eddie Kenzo basatu tufuneyo ba Weasel, because Weasel on radio, rest in peace radio, bagenda ku BET tekyali kyangu mwalimu abanene Wizkid ntugendeko. My brother Eddie Kenzo akikoze mu ngeri ye n'atuukayo naye tukoze tutya. Comment Elinti, me as a fan of Ugandan music, I'm proud to be Ugandan. I've been in the UK for about 20 years. And when je Uganda video, I'm proud so kubanti mu koza chimukola chiriwo chinene. Thank you very much. Keep doing it. May God bless you. Thank you.
Kituufu, Idris oyo nzikiriza nti kituufu muwagizi wa Ugandan music. I accept 100% kituufu. Y'omu ku bantu bemanyi abansanga nga banyogerako nange nga nakajja for the first time. Nze bannayuganda banjagala kuva dda nga ndi very young. Nzijukira omulundi gwange okusooka okujja UK. I was very, very young boy. Yeah, I remember Paddy were together. You understand? By going to, I came from Dubai and then UK. In that I had to even add in some 2 years in. Yes. 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 And kati bwe najja nensanga MC Mozede Nanyanjula Idris then waliwo n'aba naye omusajja oyo kituufu yaŋŋamba ye promoter atadingira nyumba Nigeria. Abasiri ba Nigeria bali batandise azonto biki awo gundi Wizkid we yajiraawo. I was shocked nasanga Wizkid nga batadde ebipande bye ku kkubo. I was like, this is an African. Posters eziri ewali nez'abaana abasajja abajeyizi ate. I was like, yo guys, we need to do this. Nenjogera ne Idris so nemuga, we need to do this, man. You understand? Nali nabo nembaga, we need anyoba nali moroka padedi nemugamba, we need to do this, bro. This is an African. We can do this. Nabagamba kati oyo nangamba omanyedi tutandika okugenda mu komite z'aba Nigeria. Nzijukira nalwako wanakabanga ne tutandika okubakyalira. We even went to some studios ntandika okukola research. There is one DJ ali akola mu Raface. Nangamba asoma engineering. Natandika okwagala tuconnectinga mu studios eziri, you know, eneneko. Tutandika okukiguba. Twatandika goal 1 because goal kwe twatandikira kulaba poster ya Wizkid ku gundi nena was like, Wizkid billboard in UK. No man. We need to do this. So, nshikiriza kakati kyendowooza quality gy'ogamba ebulamu. Tewali quality ebulamu right now. Ugandan sound nungi. Video quality to improve nnyo. Videos zaffe zisingira ddala ez'aba Jamaica. Mu Nigeria yakyatugize mbwatu kuba yayina million eby'abantu. Bw'atunda 1%, that is $1 million. Kubeera mu competition nayo olina okuba ng'olina amagezi mangi. Kuba ayina ssente n'abantu. You understand? Ate abantu baleeta development nyingi. America betunuulidde, UK betunuulidde, buli muntu batunuulidde because they need their economy. There are many. Ekyegeera. Kati awo bokka be bakyatugizeemu bati. Naye nagenzo natunudde ku Wikipedia, Uganda is number 3 now. Mu Africa. Nigeria number 1, South Africa number 2, Uganda as a 3rd. Twabitinze Congo. That is something big, man. You know? Kati kitegeeza nti tetubulamu nnyo kingi. Katubulamu support. Quality nungi. If you listen to our new music otufulumiza kati ali ku standard. Ochegera ne videos atandikidde ddala otereera olaba video ya Uganda ogamba yep. You understand? Era kati tuyina airplay ku MTV ku bikibanji like South Africa we play a lot. Boy Kibenda yabadde South Africa. He shot a video with Godfather. Ono yakava South Africa before Radio Tanafa. They have a good video. Cindy I know limba no Nigeria scales. Very good video. Nwaji baina video jibakozeera. Very good video. Like we are on a good position. Now we need support. You know, now we need support. What do I mean? Most of Ugandans in the UK, they party in a Nigerian community. And when they go there, they become Nigerians. You need to go in a club, request for Ugandan songs. We are many, we are going to buy drinks and we are here for our presence. We need to be recognized, play our music. If you don't, get out. That's what Nigerians do. They even put in money to be heard. It is a strategy. They are making their country big and better. When Wizkid has a lot of money, he's going to help so many Nigerians worldwide, and it goes back to them. It starts with me and you. Go in a club. If you don't hear Ugandan music, tell them, yo, we are 5, we are 2 Ugandans. We need to hear something from our country. Please make us happy. They will, because you're a customer and you're going to pay. You know what I mean? Nsaba ba DJ bafa ba Nigeria. Ba na Uganda bakuba mu kilabu za ba Nigeria. Ba Nigeria ekintu kye basinga okugira mu kilabu za ba Uganda. Kujeyo bakazi. This time tukozesa advantage baba bagala bawala bafa like obulungi batwala naffe tubafunemu. Play our music 50%. Yes. Yes, naffe tubafunemu ki? Tete bagenda tujjako byengera byaffe ate nga naffe tetubafunyemu. Let's use the chance, man. Hey, I'm sorry, that is the truth. Abantu ababeera yuke mukimanyi. Ekigera abasajja. So the only way, Eddie, support. Tuli ku level nongi now. We need support. Ekigera. Like me, I'm grateful. Like Nickelodeon ogifuna si kyangu yavudde mu bantu. They voted, they supported. Bogere Dickenzo everywhere. You know? And I need to thank the born here Ugandan kids now. They really do support me a lot. They support Wyke Brenda. They support so many Ugandan artists now. They really do. They never used to care about it. But most of the messages I receive at DMs, Twitter, they're born here kids. And they support 300%. You know? Now, that made a lot of sense because I'm going to be on One Africa Fest in Wembley, 2nd June, you know. It's because of the support these kids are showing. Because they always attend shows for Wizkid, shows for Davido, and I think they started complaining. They started texting on One Africa Fest. They're like, you guys are coming, but you've been here for so many years. Can you please add on Eddie Kenzo? Add on Eddie Kenzo. And the guy sent me an email. He was like, yo, your fans are killing us. They want you on this show. I wasn't on the list, but they add me now. And I had to tell them how much I want because I have a support from London. And that is the audience they want. Now I'm on. 2nd June, I'm in Wembley, my friend. Ugandan boy like from Masaka in Wembley, baby. You know? So, we need a support. Just Twitter support. Support wenabao tugenda chikuba on a global scale. Remember, right now in Uganda, yeah, we have the current best East African artist, Afrima, in our country. Cindy, last year she won best East African female artist in Afrima. Afrima is the Grammy of Africa, my friend. Very big and genuine. It is gold, 20-something carat. Super Gold Award, 23. Super Gold, she has it. I have one, Radio and Weasel. Gold, my friend. So, now, tuina BET, tuina reggae and world music from Miami. Then we have Nickelodeon. And then, menye chindeke Uganda. Uganda, we are talking about Uganda. Wyke Brenda, bagenda kuleta ebintu bingi nnyo. They go and even bring Grammy. Abana be UK wano watulinawo Gund, Fuse. Yazalibwa wano mu Ghana. Ebintu byakoledde Ghana n'okusendinga trend bingi. He was born here. He brought a zonto from Ghana. N'abireeta wano in a good quality. It become big. So, abana ba wano nabo, I encourage them to go in studio. Please make us proud, man. We need Grammy. You guys, we need Grammy in our country. I might fail or Weasel Radio or Cindy, but you guys can make it too. Good luck and God bless you.
Hello, testing. Guys, I'm Jackson. I'm a blogger, Facebook blogger. Ngenda kubera brief olwokuba era bye nandiyogedde buli omu byayogedde tujja ku buli omu ajja keeping agamba tusanyusa obbala batwagala nnyo biki, so we all happy, so mukimanyi nze mine is just an advice. Like bloggers will just blog and will blog anything bajja kubateeka mu mawulire naye kye mulina okutwala is there is no negative publicity. Buli wobeera mu mawulire, you talked about, it keeps your name going. Just mugezeeko bugeza butakola scandals. We're all human, we do scandals. But whenever you see yourself mu mawulire, kitwale nga positive. They're talking about you. There are people who want to be talked about.
Okay.
I'm trying to explain.
Linda, kankusale n'ekirime. Naye waliwo level gy'olina okuunderstanding omuntu. Kuba ennaku zino, singa siri musajja mugumu singa nange nafadda. You have to understand, kati ng'omuntu nga nze, ne Kenzo bamuvumye nnyo, n'ebintu byakoze, singa okitegeera. Ne kati nga nze Weasel, nalina ne bicep nga nnene, neggwako naye nga ndya emmere. Ne buli w'otunuulira Facebook, mbu Weasel, muzimu gwa radio gwamukoze bwe gutyo. Muzimu kitegeera. Naffe tuli bantu, ate nammwe mulina famire, nga naffe tulina famire. So Weasel omusonyiwamuko n'omuleka n'akaaba amaziga ge kuba ne gye buli nkyakaaba. Let's learn to be humans, okitegeera. Tubeere bantu, kiringa nange we nawandiika ku maama wo nti maama wo yafuse ku kkubo. Kitegeera. Nowanga asobola okufuukawo, so let's be humans, okitegeera. Omuntu Kenzo wafuna award, mugiwandiikeko bulungi. Kitegeera, let's do good for good. Ekibi kale kibeere kibi, naye ekintu ekiba kirungi bakiteekeyo, temuwandiika bibi byokka. Thank you.
Kenzo. Amazima gali nti tuli banyiivu. Bananze mbabuulira mazima. Abantu bonna bannayuganda abalina amatu. Ennaku zino byatereddemu kuba nadde njogera n'epenge n'angamba boyi nze nalokoka. Na era mbasaba bannange wallahi mujja kututta. Amaziga g'enkaaba, radio gafudde akaaba. Oyo radio abadde atuula wansi n'akaaba n'agamba but why? Radio, Chameleon the same, Eddie Kenzo the same, everyone ono mwanyinaze gwentudde naye mwateeka ebifaananyi bye ng'ali bwerere. But why? Can't you keep someone's privacy? Bagugulinga Tiwa Savage ng'ali mu Range Rover. Bagugulinga Cindy ng'ali bwerere. Manja nakasuka bino.
Ewedda ekomenti yange nno bannange yenjagala okwogera. Okuva kwali omwami eyabuuzizza. Ba bloggers kyenjo basaba kiri kimu. Bw'obanga olina omuntu ng'olaba wawulidde emboozi, jangu omubuuze nti owaaye Weasel, kino ne kino tukiwulidde kiri kitya, njagala kuteekayo. Akubuulira ekintu ekituufu, naye so si Weasel kwekanga kigambo nga takiwulirangako. Teriyo kinyiiza muntu nga kumuwaayiriza mu nsi. Osobola okuwulira ng'oyagala kuttamu ng'awandiisa ekintu, komenti eziri wansi zonna nga zivuma okuva ku kiri kyowandiise, nga zivuma buvumi, tewaliwo ewakitiibwa. So nga nze ndowooza ffe basomesa, abayimbi ffe basomesa abagenda ewala mu bulamu bw'abantu n'okusinga ebintu ebirala byonna. Kuba osobola okumisinga okunywa amazzi, osobola okusiiba enjala, naye tosobola kwewala kuyimba lunaku lwonna. Kati music kintu kiri ku bulamu bw'omuntu, naye omuntu agenda n'akupostingako ekintu takimanyi, takiwulirangako, tomumanyi, tomulabangako. Abamu babeera eno UK, nze mbeera eri masajja wange, naye n'awandiika ekintu ng'alaga n'ewaka wakola ki, amanyiiwo naye nga ate alimba. So kati bwe muba nga muteekayo ekintu, nze kyensaba jangu ombuuze nti kinene Weasel, Cindy, kino twalabye kiri bwe kiti ne bwe kiti, gundi agamba bw'ati, kiri kitya? Ebyo byonna tebisobola kukola ki, kubeerawo, kuba tuli bantu. Omuntu asobola okuba nga yakoze ensobi n'agitereereza wano, ne wabaawo omuntu n'akola ensobi n'agitereereza wali. So kati mbuuza ebintu bibeere nga bitambula bulungi. Mwebale nnyo.
Yeah, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, give them a fantastic round of applause, because we've had such a beautiful moment where the artists have managed to air their views, and of course where your fans have managed to let you know what they do and why they do certain things. Kakensa Henry, we've managed to finish on a note where the bloggers, you know, the artists have told you they've given you their peace of mind, and I do support that whatever you do, bloggers, news reporters, writers, television presenters, you have to make sure that you consider that.
Kunsonyiwa mukwano, kanyogereko ku kyaba bloggers. Abantu beebuuza ekyata radio. Omanyi ekyata radio? Radio ennaku zino ndaba bamuyita legend. Wakabi, akyasinze. Radio, radio bamuvuma nnyo. Ne bamuvumanga bwe yalwala siriimu. Ba bloggers buli yakiwandiika sijja kwogera bwe yalwala siriimu bwe biki. Radio bambi n'atuuka n'akola ki? Ne yeekyawa. Nze ndi mukyakaze nnyo, nze newunvuma nkusekirira ne kugamba bakubanja rent. Nze ndi mu nnyumba yange. Kitegeera. Radio ne yeekyawa. Radio era nga tannafa ya meetingako ne Chameleon. Chameleon n'amugamba radio oli wa kabi. Uganda ina million bali meka anamu oba omuntu newe bakukyawa emillion emu esigadde zisigaza zikola ki bambi radio ne yeekyawa radio yeekyawa nnyo nga mugamba n'omugamba tugendeko out tunywe ku mwenge ng'agamba munnanga ate ngende yate abantu bakole batya era bambi ba bloggers ekyasinga okutta radio yeekyawa nga ne waayimba atya bagamba Goodlyfe bagudde kitegeera naye kati ennyimba ze bakuba leero agawala ya Mungu za myaka nga 10 emabega oba 5 ne bazikuba twazifulumya ne bagaano zikuba ennyumba tezinyuma ne bamupraisinga leero lwakuba amaze kukola ki so tukyuseemu ne Weasel aleme kukola ki ne Kenzo aleme kufa kitegeera boosting big up on yourself.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Weasel, for that finishing note. Ladies and gentlemen, we are coming to the end. But when I say Africa Umoja, I want you to say Umoja, meaning Africa we stand as one. Africa Umoja. Uganda Umoja.
Moja.
Ladies and gentlemen, at this particular minute, I would like to invite over Jose Blinks and your team. You would like to introduce your team to the artists here. Jose, wherever you are. And as they come over, I'd like to say a big thank you to Team Good Music, CEO, Selector Alvin. He was the first man right here to make sure that the sound and the quality of our cameras is good. And of course, Moses and your team, you are also here. Thank you so much. And Ivan and your team, Elevate UK, thank you so much. Bossa, you were late, but thank you so much for the beautiful pictures that you put up here today. And of course, all the other DJs, performers, artists, MCs, and everyone else in the building. Thank you so much for all your effort today.
Jose unfortunately stepped outside, but we are pushed for time. But guys, I just want to remind you quickly that we're going to spend about 5 minutes with the artists. You can ask them one-on-one because I know many people have got many questions. But we have to go downstairs where we can chill, relax, ask, and enjoy. But tomorrow we have a welcome party here, the Red Car Party, hosted by Shedi and myself. And we'll be celebrating Eddie Kenzo. He left on a bad note, but he will be celebrating tomorrow. But Saturday is showtime, guys. Saturday is showtime, so you'll be welcome to come as early as you can. Jose, keep it brief. We have to step out of here in a few.
Yeah, nenga nina abaninze wano mujja kunsonyiwa. Nenga kyennyinza okwogerako omukulu Jose. Tukolaganye ne ba promoter bangi nnyo e London wano. Ne sirabangako musajja wa mutima mulungi ng'ono. Ebintu bwe bibeera straight, ekyemisana ekiba kya ssaawa emu akireeta 12. Ojja kunsonyiwa kamala okunyumyamu ne Kenzo wano twina. Thank you so much for supporting.
Mpozi njagala obategeeza nti artist baffe tujjagizangako naffe okubanga tufuna other opportunities wano nga muze. Like nga Spice Dana twakufunidde contract waliwo omukyala agenda ogikuwa ogitunulemu oba ogikiriza ogisayininge ate ku mundi omulala tufunire omulala bwakyo. Njala Sam Waiso aliwa omuyimbi wa wano artist jangu nkulabe abayimbi ba wano kitugenda bakolera nti bwe tuva mu show za wano tujja kolanga e Uganda katulina ku Freedom City nga tutwalako abayimbi babiri okuva eno namwe mubawagire kati ku mundi guno gwa ono ye manager waffe ku eyo show ku mundi guno tugenda kugenda ne Sam Waiso ne we George Woodlife Jaffa ne Weasel tukola n'abantu bangi sinza bayita bwena ne mujja naye nga tugeza okulaba nti abayimbi abaawano nabo tubabaleetera ne bayimbako nammwe kubanga namwe bwe mujja mubala byebazi ne bakola ki ne babeerawo 28 April tugenda kujja ne Sam Waiswa ne George Goodlyfe ate ku mundi omulala tusobola okuleeta baki abalala ate mu butongole njagala balaga nti nga job ziri mu UK ono mwami twamupointinze 6 months nga manager waffe Uganda bw'aba akoze bulungi tujja muwa contract empanvu ffe sebo tusasula actually tujja musasula mu pounds so nenga tujja kukola n'abantu bonna nti nze mpozi mbadde nsaba naffe abakola nga tiimu yaffe ffenna twetagayo naffe ka award kubanga kino tekibanga mu Uganda community nenga tutandika butandisi sigenda kwogera bingi Eddie Kenzo manager we wali wano njagala kumwebaza nti bwe twafunamu obuzibu bwa Muganda waffe radio gwe twasooka okutuukirira nti tiimu yonna egenda funamu obuzibu nti Goodlyfe tegenda kujja omwami ono yasazaamu shows za Uganda 2 Kenzo najja so njagala munebalize banange olunaku lw'omukaaga mwenna bana arisibafe mwenna bwe muva wano mwongere okutuwagira sindi nakwebaziza nnyo eggulo kyewakoze ng'oli eyo ojosula abantu kikyo kakimala mutuwagire kubanga twetaaga buwagizi bwe tutafuna bantu omwaka ogujja temujja kinyumirwa so mwe mwennyini mu lwaleero mugende mwogere byemwogedde mugendeko enkya mu maduuka actually mutambulyeko mu train eyo embeera enyuma so tukolewo ebintu ebiyinza okulaba nti kigenda tuyamba okufuna abantu ku Saturday omuntu yenna ali wano nga toli ku tiimu yaffe tiimu tulina waaka nga toli wano nga toli mukufe njala osigale ntuwa erinnya lyo tugenda kuwadisa kawundi ku tickets sibenga tusasula sente nyingi kuba mulimu abazze obuzi ndabye family wano namba uli omukyala wuli yaze n'abaana be mubagala kulaba ku bayimbi be Uganda kati omukyala ng'oyo aleeta obwana bwe tubulaba konyaba azeye ekimulese kulaba bayimbi be Uganda mu buno obwana buno obulaba abaana bana bato mujje wano ono omukyala bana yakubye essimu nagamba yayala kulaba ku bayimbi be Uganda kati omukyala ono yagula dda ticket actually ndoza yagula oba mmeka oba 3 yagula 4 kati abana baagala okulaba ku bayimbi be Uganda ekintu kino kigenda kutambula bulungi ndoza mukirabye abantu bakyagala kati naye kankome wano mpozi jafa bano abantu basiibule tulabe olw'obudde
bannange sijja kwogera bingi nnyo Jose ebisinga abyogedde naye nja kubeebaza mwenna abazze wano olwaleero okulaba nti mutuukiriza mutusonyiwemu ekyobudde tuluddemu kutandika naye nga bulijjo si empisa yaffe naye Allah bw'ati bwagize tujja kukiira wansi tubeere awo in the meantime musobole okubuuzaganyako n'abantu enkya tuli wano welcome party nga wetulinda omukolo semakolo abatanafuna tiketi zammwe tiketi zikyali online abagala okugula tiketi ziri online tasobola kyonna gwe nkubira essimu yange abasinga mugirina tutandikire awo naye nga mwebale nnyo mwebalire ddala tujja kukoma wano olwaleero tiimu yaffe yonna ababadde part of marketing ababadde part of bloggers sponsors for the show baani bonna atwebaza Jose Jobs Link ne Money Swift okuba nti okuteesaawo show n'abantu mwenna abawagidde show eno mwebale nnyo mwebalire ddala.
Thank you guys for turning up. At the moment tugenda kukkirira wansi waliyo shisha waliyo ebyokunywa waliyo milkshakes ba DJ gye bali tugenda kunyumirwa naye temwerabira ba artists bano nga bwe mbalabye bagende Uganda 28th ne 29th at the Hitmakers. They'll be having another show in Uganda. God bless you. Thank you very much.
Kastandina we asinga era lumu
byenakwatako leero biseko mukono gwo ondage ng'ekkubo onjasize eddala